Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe ukuthi usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke lapho-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje. Wakhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela manje. So ongakwenza-ke lapho-ke ukuthi ucindezele-ke lelo bhathini-ke njengamanje-ke udaba ekulethele lona namhlanje kethi ngeke-ke ukholwe-ke laphana-ke kushiwo laphana-ke umongameli webhosa owaye ku-DE laphana uMusa Maimane-ke laphana-ke akushilo-ke ngoJacob Zuma kanye noRamaphosa-ke. Kodwa angifuni ukuthi mina wezwa ngami ukudlalela nje ividiyo-ke uzuzwele wena-ke ngawakho amadlebe. Ngizosicela kuwe mina ukuthi-ke masuzwile-ke le video-ke ungene ema-comment section lapho-ke ushiye ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngayo lento-ke ayishilo-ke le. Masucindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, umahhala nje. Ukhiphe nesenti nje elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
That's how democracy works. That, though, as a country, we are still debating. President Zuma tells me how, as South Africans, we've become those who have failed to talk about the future. That's why, for Build One South Africa, the future is the most important thing. I can debate President Zuma, Mbeki, Ramaphosa, but their lives are not going to be affected by the decisions they are making. Let the voters vote in such a way that their children will be proud of them. Because, you know, there are many who said, I never voted for apartheid.
Yes, yes.
Yet apartheid was there. Now you ask them today, can you see what your vote did? They say, we never voted. There will be others who will vote for the ANC. And in future, when our kids don't have education, they don't have electricity, they don't have water, we must look at those who are voting for them now and say, you allowed this situation to continue. And may our children judge us on the choices we make this year.
Yes, yes. And also, you know,